In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow or disallow repeated calls while on Do Not Disturb. What that means? You can enable Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone, but if you have the Allowed Repeated Calls option enabled, a second call within 3 minutes from the same user will not be muted. If you want to enable or disable that feature, you should head over to Settings, then hit Add Focus, select Do Not Disturb, and then hit where it says People. And towards the bottom of the screen you can easily find Allow Repeated Calls feature. It's turned on my device, so a second call from the same person within 3 minutes will not be silenced. If you want to turn it off, just hit Add that button. Now you can write down in the comments below. If you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.